Rank number one in 60 seconds. This new AI is absolutely unreal and you can get a free trial of it. So, for example, if we plug in the keyword enterprise SEO ROI calculator, you can see me ranking number one for this keyword. Now, SEO is complicated, ads, I'm totally over it, but this is how I ranked a new website number one in about 60 seconds of work flat. And you don't need any skills. You don't need any effort. I barely even blinked. I spent more time making coffee this month. And this website actually got 554 clicks in its first month. Now, here's how it works. I'm just going to get straight into it, okay? So, number one, you're going to tell the AI tool that I'll show you in a second the niche that you want to rank in. Number two, then you're going to smash one button like you're playing Family Feud. And then from there, number three, then you watch it build a site so good, it's almost like Elon Musk coded it himself. Now, it's easy. Even your dog could do it. You don't need any pause. And this tool is powerful. It's proven to work. I'm showing you an open case study right here. So let's get straight into exactly how to do it. So first thing you're going to do is download Windsurf. You can just hit download in the top right. Then you will get access to it, right? That's pretty much it. Now, this is going to do all the coding for you. You don't need to think. You don't need to talk to it. You don't need to prompt it. You don't need to understand code. It's very, very simple stuff. Now, from here, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Windsurf, which is hosted locally on your site. And I'll show you the prompt. We'll time it together. I'll show you how easy it is to build one of these bad boys, right? So if we open up a new window, this is exactly how it works. Open up a new folder. We'll hit create like so. Hit trust the authors. X off that nonsense. And then from here, we're good to go, right? Now, get the stopwatch ready to go, because I want to show you how easy and simple this is. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab the SOP from my free school group, link in the comments description, and just scan the QR code if you want instant access to this. And literally, this is all you do, right? So you grab the prompt. This is inside my free course. As you can see right here, we're just going to start the stopwatch to show you how easy and fast this is. We'll open up Windsurf again. We'll go inside the chat here. We'll put in the keyword SEO Enterprise ROI Calculator. Obviously, you're not going to create a website about that, but you can create it about whatever you want, and it's the same process. We'll hit stop like so because we've done the work, right? The website is now being created by the AI, so we don't need to search it. We don't need to think about it. We just smash that one single button, and from there, it is generating the website. Now, from here, what it's going to do is start generating the website, start creating the HTML, etc. You can just go off, make yourself a coffee. That will take you longer than the actual prompt itself. And in the meantime, let me show you exactly what this sort of website looks like. So you can see here, we've got the website, we've got the calculator on the page, we've got the content. That's it. That's it. That's how easy we've ranked for this keyword. Now, the cool thing here is you're not creating a spammy website because this is actually something of value. And as long as you check the website, test it, make sure it actually works, make sure that it's actually creating something of value and its quality, then you're just creating something better than what already ranks out there. You get an AI to automate it all, and you're building something that's actually more useful than everything out there, right? Now, if you want to test, okay, does this actually work? What you can do is you can just right click the index HTML. We can go back to Chrome, drag that in there and just check it works, right? And literally we've created that same website in like one click. It was so incredibly simple. And literally all we did was just use this prompt right here. It created the site, boom shakalaka. We've got a website. And it actually took us 15 seconds so far, not 30, not 60, all right? And again, you can see it ranking for this keyword. It's getting clicks almost every single day for this keyword. And this would work for any sort of niche, etc., right? And you might be wondering, okay, but how do you actually send traffic? So what we do is we have CTAs on the page to book in a free SEO strategy session that sends traffic to our funnels, and we make money that way, right? So you're not just building like a website for the sake of ranking number one. You're actually building something that funnels traffic to your business and your funnels in a really simplified, easy way, right? And then whatever industry you're in, you can easily find like calculator related keywords. As an example of that, if we go back into the AI SEO Success Lab, again, this is completely free. We'll go into the free 53 AI SEO tools section. We'll open this up. And if we scroll down to the keyword research section over here, we've got a bunch of tools that we can use to generate keywords around whatever topic we want to rank for, right? So for example, if we put SEO ROI calculator as our niche inside this tool, and this is free, anyone has access to this. It's all inside this document right here, which is inside the AI SEO Success Lab. And you can see it just comes up with loads of keyword ideas that we could create websites around, right? Really, really simple. Does not take long at all to find keywords. You can customize this to whatever industry, whatever niche, whatever type of customers you want to get, whatever type of affiliate traffic you want, etc. This process works. I've proven to you it works right here. And literally, this is the first month. So you can see it had 0 traffic right there. And now it's had 550 clicks. Boom shakalaka. Now it's had 554 clicks. Pretty crazy stuff. And it ranks number 1. It actually ranks for multiple keywords. So you can see like enterprise SEO ROI calculator, enterprise SEO ROI, etc. SEO ROI calculator. It's on page number 5 for that, but we'll let it off because it's getting traffic from these 2 keywords right here. And this is a singular page website. Again, we are not spamming because we're creating something that's actually useful to people. I mean, like, genuinely, if you wanted help on this particular topic and you found us on Google, it'd be super useful, right? You can just go straight onto the tool. You're like, right, my current traffic is this, my current conversion rate is that, my current order value is that, and I'm spending this on my traffic. And then it creates a nice little chart like that. Better than anything else I've seen rank you for this keyword, and you're actually helping people out there. Now, at this point, you're going, okay, great. I created the website in 14 seconds, 54. All right. Now, how do you actually deploy it? How do you get that website running? So let me show you exactly how to do that. Really, really simple. So from here, what you can do is you can click on add new site inside Netlify. So you're going to log into Netlify and then you're going to use this. And from here, you're going to click on import an existing project. Then from there, click on try Netlify drop. And then you just grab this folder and you would upload it into Netlify. All right. So let's do that right now. We're going to grab this. We'll pop it in there. And you can see it's uploading now. We can click on open production deploy just to check it works, that sort of thing. You can test it out, quality check it, sanity check it, etc. You can also add more content to the page. You would just go back into Windsurf and ask it to do that. So inside the chat, if you have any changes, if you have any brand colors, etc., you can ask it to insert those, along with if you have any links to funnel. And then what it's going to do is just go back, edit the index.html. And basically what you've got here is the chat where you give it any instructions. So you can see I've just given it that one prompt and then this prompt down here. And then what it's going to do is edit the files inside the project folder. And then when we upload that again into Netlify, it's going to deploy the new versions of the project. Just wait for it to finish before you upload the project into Netlify. Then you can click on accept. You got the project ready to go. If we open up that again in Finder, we'll set up a new tab, grab that, plug it into Finder, and there we go. We've got the updated page right there with the links to our funnels. Really easy and simple to do. It's like magic. And then you can get more customers. You can start ranking websites. You can create calculators around similar stuff in your industry. And you're living the dream, my friends. Now, let's recap on the process, all right? How are you going to find relevant keywords to actually create websites around? Well, you can just go inside my free SEO Success Lab, scan the QR code on this video, and then you'll get access to all of these tools, right? There's loads of cool stuff here. But the main one you want to focus on for this particular example is like the keyword generator and the free keyword research tool, etc. Right? So you just go in here, you plug in your keywords, you say, right, I'm a plumber, give me some keywords around calculators I can build and rank with, and then it's going to give us a bunch of ideas right there, right? So for example, like water heater calculator or bathroom plumbing costs, etc. Right? These are all calculator websites you can build. Once you've done that, you take this prompt right here from my documents. You can get it inside the SEO Success Lab as well. Just go in the classroom and you'll find it right here inside the Windsurf AI playlist. Like, how long does it take? We've tested it today. It took just under 15 seconds to do. What's it going to look like? It looks like this. Again, if you want to preview it, just grab the index.html and then plug it into Chrome. And then if you want to deploy it, you can just go inside Netlify. Now, once you're ready to add your own domain to this, right? So for example, let's say you've tested out, you've launched your website, it's good to go. Okay, here's how you can configure it. So if you go to site overview, once you've deployed it, set up a custom domain, and then you type in whatever domain you want to have for the website, check it's available, and it'll cost you about $14.99 to get that website live. And you might be asking, okay, how much traffic you can get? Here's an example from a random case study. And additionally, you might be wondering, okay, does it actually rank? Yes, it ranks number 1 in like 15 seconds of work. Crazy stuff. I mean, here's the other crazy thing about this, right? If we actually go into the Keyword Explorer and we check out this website, you can see that this brand new website that I built literally just like a few weeks ago is outranking like a DR87, a domain rating 33 website, a DR62, etc. Like, this process is not just powerful. It doesn't just create something that's super useful for people using it, but additionally, because you're launching it on like a custom domain, it ranks and gets traffic fast. So super powerful stuff. So thanks so much for watching. I've shown you that we ranked number 1 in actually 15 seconds of work. as we timed it together as promised. I showed you the site that got 500 clicks in its first month. You can build these sites in one click. I've already shown you how to do that. And this opportunity has never been available before because Windsurf has only been out for a few weeks using this process. Now, if you want to follow the step-by-step process from me, if you want like really easy to follow instructions, etc., what I've done is I've turned all the videos from today into a step-by-step process that works really nicely. What I'm going to do is I'll plug that into my Windsurf AI mini course inside the AI SEO Success Lab. Just scan the QR code on this video or visit the link inside the comments description, and we will add a new page called Rank Number 1 in 60 seconds. And the video notes you can find right there. Now, this community, it comes with like 1,500 SEOs that you can problem solve with. So if you have questions, just post in the community. And there's tons of people who will be willing to help you. Additionally, we've got a classroom full of amazing tools, and you can see 50 free AI SEO tools that will save you thousands of dollars if you check out the video training on that right there. And you can see all the cool stuff you get from this just by scanning the QR code or clicking the link in the comments description to get free access to the AI SEO Success Lab. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to get a free one-to-one SEO strategy session, feel free to get that link in the comments description. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visitors a month and generate thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot. On this free link building acceleration session, you'll get a free SEO domination plan, discover the secrets to link building, we'll answer any questions you have one-to-one. You'll learn the best link building strategy for your website, plus how to quickly outrank your competitors in link building, how to 10x SEO traffic based on what's working for us. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.